the YouTubers award, but I did like Tony's car, and most importantly the fact that he worked on it all himself. So
Let me get, I gotta raise up. I won't be tall as you.
I'm now joined with Tony. Tony, how's it going?
Very good, very good.
You enjoying yourself?
I sure am.
You've got quite a beauty here with you today.
Well, thank you very much.
What have you brought, and why is everybody talking about it?
Well, it's the cheapest old car you could buy.
Cheapest old car.
in '66. It's what your grandmother would have bought, and it probably had a inline six and a straight shift transmission. Well, this one now has a 66 427 Corvette motor with aluminum heads, and it's got a cow plenum breather that was developed for NASCAR back in the 60s, early 60s. So it's been a, what would you call it? Labor of love?
Labor of love. I love that. Let's have a look at that engine once again, everyone. Now the air intake, the shaker air intake.
No, that's the cow plenum breather. It forces air off the windshield. It comes through that, down, and pushes the gas through.
Did that come with the car?
No, but
No.
but I put it on it.
They're not easy to find.
No, they're not.
They're not. That's why it's caught my attention. First of all, where did you get yours from?
A guy named Nelson Rudzel, he started remanufacturing, and I bought one of his, and his has been the best we've found anywhere,
Okay.
as compared to a used one.
Right.
So they're very expensive. Even the repos are expensive.
Because there's not many out there.
Not
It's
many,
very hard
no.
to find,
Yeah.
Well, that's pretty cool, everybody. But check this out. Now, Tony, how long have you had it for?
I've had the car since '91, but I just recently done all the work on it.
Just recently?
Yeah. Well, I've been out of commission for about 4 years, but I already had it done.
But, okay, so 4 years ago, you did a full restoration on it.
Wow.
But up until then, since '91, it had never been restored.
I drove it. It was a small block automatic car. I drove it every day, just whatever, fun to drive.
You know, often we get from what I hear from the stories is that cars do get changed,
Yeah.
get sold, then new ones get bought. This never happened the case with this one with yourself.
No, it was just, I kept it, and I built a '69 before this one, and it was a matching numbers car, super sport, 4-speed, big block,
Yeah.
and I kept it for, I don't know, 6-7 years, and decided I didn't want that. I wanted this, and it was sitting at the house. So
And
this is what
why? What's so special about this for you?
I like 66s. Not real big on any of the rest of them.
Yeah.
And I like the cheap cars.
And you like the cheap
Yeah.
cars?
Well,
Are they easier to maintain and to,
yeah, it's easy to maintain. They're what happened? Everybody wrecked their cars. You know, their super sport cars. They took the front ends off of these 300s because they're cheap. They didn't want nothing to do with them, and they'd crush them. So there ain't many left, to be honest about it. And
you're saving them?
that's what I can. And of course, people buy a lot of NOS parts and stuff. Well, that's buying parts for a 300 is hard to find.
It would be hard to find, yeah.
Yep.
The more rare a car is, a classic car, the harder it is to
Yes.
restore it and find parts for it.
Well, what it was, it cost so much more to build a cheap car.
It's no longer the cheap
No.
old car, right?
No, it's not. Sure isn't.
This is beautiful, and the restoration is really done well. Did you have a shop do that?
Well, a friend of mine, Steve, he done it on side, but he just
How long did it take him?
he had it about a year at his house,
That's not
and I would travel back and forth. You know, I'd go down and work a weekend on the car with him.
Yeah.
And Steve Davis is it for somebody that doesn't. That's not how he makes a living. He's over a water department.
Right.
So
But he knows how to work on the Chevelles.
very good at it.
And you did it. You worked on it yourself. As
Oh
well
yeah,
on the 66.
yeah. I got to do all the rough, dirty stuff.
Yeah. Hey, it's got to get done, right?
Oh yeah, it has to be done.
It does look beautiful. I'm going to show the interior in just a moment, everyone. What are your plans these days, Tony, with the Chevelle?
I have to keep it as long as I can.
Do you maintain it and just keep it at home, or do you drive
The
it?
car has about 40 miles on it.
40 miles.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's just basically going from here to the trailer. It's a trailer queen. We don't drive it. I've got another one at home.
Is that the one that you like to take out for drives?
Yeah, it's okay. It's a station wagon.
Yep.
So we got a store in it. Grocery getter.
But you know, those station wagons are still popular.
Yeah. And they done the same thing, front ends and stuff, and then crush them. So they're hard to piece together too. I found a pretty good one that come out of California and not rusty and all that stuff. So.
Tony, do you mind if I ask you if you've always been in the wheelchair?
No, ma'am. This has only been about 4 years. I had an
You finished the car 4 years ago.
Yeah, I got to drive it a little bit.
So when you were working on the restoration, you were not in a wheelchair?
No. But I had an arterial disease. Of course, everybody thinks you have diabetic and all that, but I'm not. So.
And then that caused deterioration and your ability to walk.
Right.
And this was just right around the fact that you finished the 66.
Yeah. Pretty much.
Okay. And I'm really sorry to hear that. Have you been able to sort out a way to still be able to get behind the wheel?
No, I haven't yet. I mean, I can, but being in this chair yet, I've got a van that, and I can have it converted to where I can pull in and drive it.
Right.
But nobody else can. So I kind of enjoy getting chauffeured.
Well, Tony, the car is immaculate.
Well, thank you very much.
And I am glad that it is here at the show. And it is unfortunate, and I am sorry to hear that right at the time that it finished, for you to get sick like this.
Yeah.
But you still were able to do 40 miles on it?
Well, pretty much. That's it. I may have a few more than that on there. I don't know.
Yeah.
Not got over 100 by no means. Well, I just don't like to drive it because no matter what you do, you're going to get a speck of this or a speck of that on it, or a rock chip or something. Yep. Well, then I don't want them.
Well, that's the thing. These cars are so precious, and they are priceless.
Yep.
And even if they are able to drive, you'll see them just having it inside the trailers and preserving it. Because like you said, it's hard to find parts.
Yep.
So we don't want it to get damaged.
This is a North Carolina car. I bought it on a car lot. It's a trade-in.
In 91?
In 91.
In 91 at a car lot. And what did you trade in for them?
I didn't trade anything for them. I traded cash.
You traded in cash. So you got a lack of a swap meet?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Oh, yeah. It's a lot of fun to look for parts.
At the swap meets?
At any of them, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I've already been through everything here and really don't need a thing.
Well, you're all set.
I'm done.
I do want to show everybody the inside.
Please do.
It look absolutely beautiful. What do you call the color?
It's cameo beige. Please, go right ahead.
Three times and start at clock. You must be able to present the leading ticket. In that time period, we'll draw again. You're going to see the money change hands. Always a fun to be reminded giving away money. Let's go back to 1991.
You have to really go. I was just telling everybody the beautiful cameo beige with that tone of red, maroon.
Wasn't even offered from GM. I had all this made.
Yeah, that was your choice.
Yeah.
Well done. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
Absolutely beautiful. Tony, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.
Well, you too.
We're going to continue along because there's lots to see.
I know there is. I got a little history on you too.
On me?
Yes, from Greg.
There's a little bit of history on me. Go on.
Well, he was just telling me something that you built a car.
A truck.
A truck, that's right. And you're learning to weld.
Yes.
And you're from Australia.
That's good. Well done. The truck is coming along well, everybody. You just have to stay tuned. The latest update, it is going to be having a Roadster Shop chassis because I had issues with my frame. That's the video up if you haven't seen it. That's the biggest update on my truck. But we're moving ahead and finishing up the metalwork and getting it ready for body and paint.
You should. I wish you the best.
Thank you so much, Tony. You're awesome. That Chevelle is beautiful.
Thank you. Sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Now, where do we find this?
So